Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to Lunar Beach's Crypto. I am David, and we got some sleep. Ah. Thank you for joining me, as always. So Bitcoin finally woke up, finally got moving. So we're gonna be getting into the charts today. All right. Hope y'all enjoy it. So, well, first of all, good morning, Justin and Tony. Thank you for being here, as always. And also, today is Thursday, February 8th, 2024. There's some cool stuff going on today, like this awesome price action. Right? We got our fear and greed index at a 59, so we're up. We're feeling a little more bullish. Yesterday we were at a 56, so we're up about 3 points on that. Sweet. Crypto on the move. Also, today we have Crypto Face versus Alexo Crypto at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the Crypto Wars YouTube channel. Go in there. Show out, put otters in the chat for Alex, and let's see our homie take down his idol. I don't know, maybe not his idol, but you know what I mean. So yeah, this. We got to get in there. We got to show our support for our guy, okay? Our guy right there, not Crypto Face. So yeah, let's do that. Don't forget, sub to his channel. Link is in the description. Same as Piper Academy. Get you some alpha there at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Get you alpha for Alex at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. And start your day off with me, Monday through Friday. At 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's 5:30 for me. Anyway, we're good. We're good this morning. We got like 6 hours of sleep, which is almost double what I had 2 nights prior. The 2 nights prior. So, man, I'm finally caught up on sleep. We had our first baseball tournament last weekend and got back in town at midnight Saturday and Sunday. Still got up at 4 a.m. each day. Bro, softball season's about to start in a few weeks. And we got a tournament. And I looked at the schedule and I was like, oh my God, this is going to be so fun. You got to get there 8:30 in the morning. And then we're going to be at the field. Last game is at like 3:30. It's like, oh, jeez. Oh, so you're Central Time Zone, bud? Bud? All right. So, where are we at? Bitcoin is at $44,696, threatening the $45,000 mark. Let's go ahead and get into some charts, shall we? Let's go ahead and get into the charts. I heard someone say charts once, and it's just because they have an accent, okay? Yeah, Tejas. Ooh, you're in Tejas. Wait, is ya a place in Tejas? Is that why you put it like that? Or are you just saying, yeah, Tejas? Is that annoying? Look at this, guys. Look at this. Is this not a sight for sore eyes? We love seeing this. And if you're wondering what these lines are here, these white lines, these are just weekends. It's just showing weekends. Look how flat these weekends are. Look how flat, for the most part. Pretty flat. Yeah, for Texas. Yeah. Let's go ahead. Let's throw this fib on here. All right, coming up on the 618. Should I add more stuff on here so you people don't lose your stuff? 786. Let's see. What else is there? We got 618, 786, and what? 887? Where's my 887? All right. So that's going to be good enough. So these are levels to watch. If we can get above 45K, get above there, and hold as support, then we should be able to keep on trucking and move up to the 46,792 mark. That is where we could be heading. Now, let's go ahead and take so this is a symmetrical triangle. And on symmetrical triangles, typically we can just do the, what do you call it? You do measured move, okay, from the breakout. And we take the widest part of the symmetrical triangle, which actually would probably be this. There we go. Bottom to top. This is for your pattern traders. So I first started off learning how to trade by learning patterns. Then I got into Elliott wave theory. Then I got into, there was something else. Oh yeah, then I got into like a bunch of volume analysis, like footprints and TPO and stuff like that. And then I got into smart money concepts. So if you want to learn how to trade, I know several different ways of how to trade. Now, it is up to you to turn that information into a profitable strategy and to manage your risk properly as well. I am not a financial advisor. Please do not buy or sell anything that is mentioned on this channel, okay? I'm not telling you to buy or sell. I'm not pushing that button for you or anything like that. So the measured move on this takes us up to about $46,200 So we got that. And if we take this, if we take the pole here, if this was a flag, then that measured move would break 49,000 and bring us to about 49,475. Somewhere 49,500, it's a good psychological level, something to watch. So, little something on your measured moves, and they do have a little bit of confluence there. Let's go ahead and pull a volume profile on this range here and see what we're looking at. So we did get a bounce. We built up our point of control, and we did get a bounce off of that, and got a nice spike in volume here that looks like it could be pushing that price up. So are we going to keep moving up today? That is the question. In Lubbock, 12:30 here, lunchtime. It's also an inverse head and shoulders. Correct. We did point that out. Man, when did we point that out? Was it last week? Last week or the week prior? We've been watching that inverse head and shoulders for a while now, right here. Okay. We've been watching that. And that one is playing out. I mean, you could also, not really. I was going to say cup and handle, but not really. More of that inverse head and shoulders. Now, to get a target on an inverse head and shoulders or a head and shoulders, we take our neckline, which is the resistance line, resistance support line. In this instance, it is a dynamic, diagonal resistance line. So we're going to go from the neckline down to the tip of the head, and we're going to go to where we break out from, which is right here. We did break out from it. We also broke this level here, which is a weekly fair value gap, I think. I thought I had it labeled. Maybe not on this chart. And that takes us up to above 49K as well. So, are we going to call it? Are we going to call it? Are we calling it? What are we calling it? We're going to break 49K. Is that what we're calling right now? The momentum is there. The momentum is there. We just need something. We just need it to keep going. We just need to keep going. We just need the whales to keep on whaling. You know what I mean? When I know that miners are low on reserves, miners have been selling. They've sold a lot of Bitcoin at an average price of about $43,000. I was reading an article about that last night. And so they're very low on reserves. They're down to something like 14,000 Bitcoin. So, yeah. Which, according to the article, I think they said they typically do sell before the halving for some reason. I guess to pad their balance sheets is what they said, because they start getting less Bitcoin and they need that money for their operations to run their miners, upgrade them, the storage facilities, all that good jazz. So that's where it is. That's where it is. So we got the inverse head and shoulders breaking 49,000 with a top out at about 49,974 per the Bitstamp chart. So, now if we do come up here, now, I'm trying to think. Don't say anything you don't want to be in trouble for later, David. I guess it doesn't really matter. Traders can be wrong. Technical analysts can be wrong. We can be wrong, and I gotta get over that. I gotta get over the fact that I'm gonna be wrong, and people are gonna hate me when I'm wrong. You know what I mean? I don't really care. I'm just saying stuff at this point. No. All right, so let's turn on our market oracle. We got a strong buy signal on here on the chart prime market oracle. I like to see that. This is on the 4-hour. Now, typically when we get a strong buy signal, we will get a retrace or a pullback before price keeps on going. So that is something to keep an eye on. ION. I'm trying to find another one. There's another strong. See how it comes up and pulls back. They almost always pull back. So something to watch. So I wouldn't be surprised if we came up today to 45K, maybe even barely broke it, and then came back down and did a retest of this neckline of the inverse head and shoulders at the same time as we are meeting up with the weekly fair value gap. So a little bit of confluence there. Okay, so then we could come down to 44,000 again. So get a little break above 45 if we even break it, and then get rejected, and then come back down for test of support of the neckline. That way we can continue higher. Okay? That is what we want to see on the Bitcoin. That is what I want to see on the Bitcoin. So it should be what you want to see. If I want to see it, then you want to see it. Obviously, a lot of people would rather it dump so that they can buy more Bitcoin. I don't mind that as well. I don't mind that either. I'll take either one, to be honest. I'll take movement. That's all I care about. I'm just happy to see crypto on the move. You know what I mean? I just like volatility. Speaking of volatility, let's go ahead and go check out our handy dandy heat map. And let's see if there's anything moving right now. So, performance, we're going to go to volatility. Going to remove zeros. All right. remove the ones. So it's got them sized up by market cap. Cardano up 8%. Let's go take a look at Cardano. Was it this week or last week that I was talking about Cardano? I honestly do not remember. Okay. Look at Cardano. Let's go to the daily. Let's zoom out real quick. Also, guys, if you are not looking at your monthly and your 3 months and your 6 months and your yearly charts on Bitcoin, at least, because it has some history at least. Good morning, dude. Hola, French tosta. Good to see you, friend. Frenchie in the house. Como si, como sa. Ha ha ha. All right. So we got Cardano here. Man, that looks super bullish. Holy crap. That is pretty bullish. You know, like butthead. What? Let's take a look here. How can people just like keep on talking and talking and talking? I mean, I can do it, but how do I do it? Measured move on this would take us to about 94 cents. That would be pretty nice. Very nice. How much? 49 cents. I just told you. And of course, I bet it's like it might be a 236. Woo! I am in these charts way too much. So yeah, 94 cents coming up for Cardano. You heard it here. Maybe not first, but yeah. You heard it here. You heard it here. Damn, that sounded just like who? Butthead?
I need TB for my bunghole. I am Cornholio.
Anyway. So yes, Cardano is on the move, looking good, looking good. Let's see if we can make a play on it today. So we are at some resistance. So we want to break this resistance, and we want to be able to turn it into support. So get above this, and then we can start talking about some nice swing long plays probably. Get going. Get out of here. Get out of here.
I need TB for my bunghole.
Whoa. Chill, bruh. So let's go by candles. Because then you see it's already broken. Kinda. Not really. Just kidding. All right, there we go. So yeah, something like this on Cardano. We do have this kind of like a descending triangle, but we do have a channel. Yep, we got a channel. So what we like to see here on these channels is we bounce around, right? Why are you? Be yellow. Thank you. Oh, I did it. Dang it. Yellow. Delete. There we go. All right. So we get a nice little bounce Aroni in here. And we want to come out, test for support, right back down at that 54 cents, and then come up to that 90 cent level. All right. So Cardano to 90 cents. Let's go. Matic. What are we doing, Matic? What is this? When was the last time I drew on this? Huh. Look at that. It did not come down as low as I thought it would. I don't know when I drew on this, but it was before I changed my fibs up. Good morning, L. Jones. Good morning. Welcome to K-Love. in the morning. Get your coffee and crypto. Do you know those DJs that talk like this all the time? Yes. What's our move on here? $2.36 to Matic for Matic. That's inverse head and shoulders, another one in here, which we do kind of see throughout the market. Let's go ahead and take a look at our total. Let's take a look at our total market cap. Let's zoom it out. I love it when I have no idea what I was drawing and why. So, total crypto market cap met resistance at the 0.382 and is now heading up, finally, looking like it's going to get going and move up to the 0.5 at 1.868 trillion. 1.868 trillion for the total crypto market cap. Of course, we could get back up to that $2 trillion mark. Our total 2, which is our Bitcoin without Ethereum, our crypto market without Bitcoin. Ding! Still waking up. It's okay. But we're a little more awake than we were yesterday. That's for dang sure. So this one's, everything's starting to be on the move. And like that was my point. Is that, kind of a head and shoulders in here a little bit. It's more of like an accumulation range, Looks a lot like Link. Link looks a lot like that. Total 3. So your total 3 is all of your crypto minus Bitcoin and Ethereum. So everything but Bitcoin and Ethereum. All your altcoins, basically. So we are looking for this to get a nice little breakout in here. Ooh, it's on the verge. It's on the verge. Altcoin market's about to splurge. We're about to get so pitted, bruh. About to get so pitted. A sippa. Whoopa. Sippa. Yeah, dude. Total DeFi. Same story. Others. Same story. So these are all your DeFi projects, and others is every altcoin outside of the top 10. So your mid and low caps. And they could be coming up to a breakout. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit. Don't forget, guys, to smash that like button. And subscribe to the channel if you are new. Join the free Discord link in the description. Ask questions if you're wanting to learn how to trade or if you want to learn about crypto or whatever. Get in there. It's got mostly traders in there, but people know their crypto too, so get in there or be square. How about that? Get in there, be square. Why are you white and not yellow? Thank you. Oh, I did it again. Smash the likes. Yes, please. Smash the likes. Also, don't forget Saturday. We are bringing the waves to Investing Bros at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay. Looks like others is trying to work its way up to seeing a breakout, which means I think we could be seeing one today or tomorrow. Today or tomorrow. One of the two. Looks like it already attempted. So we broke this little internal high here. When I mean internal, I mean, so we got this little high here and here, right? And this high here and this high here. So it's kind of like a market structure thing. So we broke this high here, and now we're looking to break this high here. And then we want to come up, break this diagonal resistance, and then come down, test, shoot up. Same story for basically every single chart. We will be getting into the scalping strategy a lot more later on. Let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin, and let's go down into the lower time frames and give it a look see. I think this was a daily fair value gap. Let me look at that real quick. Yeah, so that's a daily fair value gap. I wanted to see a 4-hour close above the midpoint of that daily fair value gap, and we got it. So that means I would expect for price to continue higher. However, that doesn't mean that we can't get a back test first. Okay, so just be really careful with that 45K mark. That could be it. That could be it for everybody. Can't wait for the collab with IBs. Boom. Me either, man. I'm ready to be on there with. I wish Tim was gonna be on there, but I'm cool with just talking to T-Shroom. T-Shroom seems like a cool guy. I'm pretty sure he is. Whatever. I'll talk to anybody, man. Bring Michael Saylor on here. I'll call him crazy. He owns, or MicroStrategy owns 190,000 Bitcoin now. And now they're calling themselves Bitcoin, the first Bitcoin something. Hold on. It was in the news. It was in the news section. First Bitcoin something. Like, not developers? Industry developers or something? I don't know. That's kind of crypto. So, by the way, guys, TradingView has about everything you need. It's got your news, it's got everything. Oh, speaking of news. Crypto use and money laundering far below cash, says US Treasury. Duh. Everybody in crypto already knew that. We've been trying to tell you. Yeah, it's probably not just gonna be on here. Why do people still? I might not be able to continue the show, guys. It cost me $100,000 to keep this thing running. So if anybody wants to pay me $100,000, we could, kind of. All right, news. I want to see if we have anything for today. Good band. Go check them out. Agape. We have unemployment claims today. Ooh, at 8:30. Okay. Unemployment claims can be market movers, so we definitely want that. Definitely want market moving. Okay, we want the market moving. Crypto on the move. It's in the thumbnail. Crypto's on the move. Look at this. This is just bullish price action, man. We got some. I say that, and then as soon as I zoom in a little bit, we're getting a little bit of a dumpski. So we did take out. I gotta get rid of this order block. Or let's do this. There we go. All right, so we got our New York Open down here. It might be a good opportunity to long from the New York Open. However, let's go ahead and let's zoom out a little bit. I'm trying to see something. So we're getting impulsive moves, which is basically we're just not wrecking shorts, okay? Shorts are getting wrecked. Absolutely wrecked. So that's what's made the entire Bitcoin move ever since it bottomed out, really. It's just shorts getting wrecked. It's just over and over and over and over. So, be careful, be mindful of that. Now, these can and tend to be pullbacks whenever we get these M shapes in here. So be mindful of that. But it could be short-lived. We could just come down, maybe not even take out this low, but get a bounce off of that consolidation range and then keep going. So I would just be watching this range right here the top of it being about 44,400. So break that New York open, which is the whatever the opening price was at midnight in New York. So we want to see, we already came down below it and then shot up, but then we took out the Asia high, which means typically when we are in a trend, if one of the sides of the Asia market gets taken out, then it is going to continue in that direction, because it is saying that we have put in the low for the day on Asia, which would be this low right here. Nope, it would be this low right here. So they would say that we've put in the low for the day, for the whole day, for the session, and that we are going to continue higher for longer. All right. What time frame is that you're looking at? I am looking at the 15-minute right now. I yeah, I was told that I need to point out prices more, which I've been doing, so good on that. And now you just asked me about time frame, and I remembered I should probably say time frames too. So yeah. But anyway, it is 6:01. Hey, we made it another day. We made it another morning. Be mindful, be careful. This thing might get a little crazy in here. We could see a correction. As Alex always says, Alexo Crypto says Thursday is typically a down day. So be mindful of that. But I would be looking for some reversals, okay? Would be looking for some reversals so that we can come back and ride the waves to the upside. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button. Thank you for joining me. Everybody, I love you all. Thank you for everybody in the chat, leaving their comments. Hit that like button on your way out. Subscribe to the channel if you are new, and have a radical day. Ride the waves. Peace out. One last thing. I got to be honest with you guys, okay? I've been getting wrecked like crazy this week in trading, okay? It's been a bad week for me. We all have bad weeks. So I'm taking some time off from trading. But I'm still going to be in these charts, and I'm going to be here for you guys. No matter what. Manage your risk properly. Use a stop loss. Not financial advice. Have a great day. Goodbye.